The catalog system is integrated with the data warehouse by the Catalog DTS package. This DTS package imports the catalog data into the data warehouse, and SQL Server reporting is used to generate reports to be analyzed by the business users. Earlier in our presentation, we saw that we can create a property in the catalog and inventory schema manager and mark it so that it can be exported to the data warehouse database. Let's take a quick look at a demo of the Catalog DTS package and the reports generated by the DTS package. commerceTrainining comes with a tool that creates the DTS packages for you. It is called the Data Warehouse Import Wizard. After executing this wizard and completing it, a DTS package is created that can be saved inside SQL Server. In order to prepare SQL, you need to install some backward compatibility tools for the DTS package. You can read more on the commerceTrainining help files. So once you're in SQL, you go to Management. Under the Legacy System, you have the DTS packages. So if we were to open up the Data Warehouse Import Wizard, this is what the wizard created for me, and I chose to save this into my SQL Server. And here's the DTS package. The product catalog import is the package that imports data from the commerceTrainining database from a specific site into the data warehouse for reporting capabilities. What types of data is imported into the data warehouse? Before we go over that, let's take a look at the commerceTrainining Manager and how you create the reporting services as well as the DTS packages. When you install the C# site or any other blank site in commerceTrainining, there is no data warehouse resource. To add this resource, add a new resource, and then choose the data warehouse pub. This will add a resource and prepare your site for the data warehouse import-export wizard. I have already done this for the starter site, so let's take a look at the resource for that. The data warehouse resource is a global resource. The site resource is a pointer to the global resource. So if we go to the global resources, we see the starter site data warehouse, and it has a history of when the reports were generated and if they were successful. Once you run the DTS package inside of SQL, then your reports are ready to be generated. After supplying the username and password, the reports are visible to you. commerceTrainining has about 34 reports. The one that we're interested in is the product sales reports. So here we can see product sales and the buy to browse purchase reports. So let's take a look at some of the data that is imported into the data warehouse. When you generate the data warehouse resource, a database is created, the starter site data warehouse. There are a few tables in here that import the product catalog database. So for example, the catalog global holds information about your catalog, and the catalog timestamp holds data from the last import. The category has category information, and then the products table holds all of the product data. And this data is imported from the product catalogs for our starter site. So this concludes this demo.